Today on the channel, we are going to do a little update video on the 2nd Gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build that we have going on out here at the shop. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. We are out here at Jeff's Auto Body in Sweet Valley, PA, working on the 2nd Gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build that we got going on out here. And I haven't done a little update video on this in a while. We've been doing little things. Last video you seen on this was we had to get new door hinges for this. So a lot of stuff has gone on since then. And we got the body put on, and as you can see, we already got the firewall all cut in. So what do you say we do a little walk around, and then I'll put in some of the pictures that Jeff was able to take for me of them putting the body on. So here's what it looks like right now. And as you can see, we are working on the wire loom for the engine harness. And as you can see, that this is for the AC condenser. And I just had this zip tied up here until some of the grommets that come in, so I could get this fast until we got the computer in. And we basically have the harness laid out, and we have where all these little plugs go. Like this one's for the ejector. We have another injector over here. But right now we just have the harness laid out because we just got done wrapping this section of the harness. And I will do another video on that harness and how we laid it all out and almost where every single plug goes. So this way, if you guys are new to the channel, you could hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, follow the channel, and if we didn't win your subscription on this video, maybe we will on the next one. So now I'm working on inspecting this wire harness. But the frame's all painted up. The firewall's all done. We already cut that in. As you can see over here, here's the cut line. And then after we get this will be going next door to get the rest of the paint all cut in on the cab. And then we'll start doing the box on it. But the frame's all painted up. This plug here is for the front harness. And these group of wires were for a lot of the accessories got going on. But so what we did so far right now, we replaced the door hinges on the lower sides and then we replaced here all the way down with the inner rockers, the inner rockers, and the outer rockers. And then we also did new cab corners. Here's the back half of the truck. And we did Line-X the gas tank, and we took that out to Line-X of Williamsport, Apple Hill 4x4, which is also a division of A&A Auto Stores. And we have to finish hooking up the emergency brake cable. And here's the wire loom that I'm using, which we got that out at A&A Auto Stores here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. But this is just a little update as far as what we're doing. And let me insert some of the pictures of the guys putting the body on the frame. And here's another thing that I did was we also went with a body lift, as you can see here. We went with a 3-inch body lift. And the reason why we went with a body lift, because we're doing all this work on this truck, and I wanted to lift the body up a little bit so everybody could see the detail work that's going on underneath the truck, and how the color of the engine, the tranny, the transfer case, and all that just blends in, and then it goes into the drivetrain on that. But here is the color that we ended up going with. And you will see more of that color in a future video when we get into painting more of the truck. So that's just a little walk around of the project truck for you guys right now. And I also like to thank Jeff from Jeff's Auto Body and Customs. Definitely check his link out in the description below. I'd like to thank Rick Young of Big Chief Innovations for helping us get the body dropped down. And Matthews Auto Supplies here in Wilkes-Barre, PA. We've been working closely with Mary Jo from down there. But when we get into the more paint things, maybe we'll bring Mary Jo into a video and we'll discuss a little bit about Matthews Auto Supplies, and maybe we'll discuss about the paint line that we choose to paint from. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.